For 2 years now, using AI has meant one thing. You type a question into a box, it types an answer back, and then you go do the actual work yourself. Last week, that deal quietly changed. One of the big AI companies released a model that doesn't just answer questions. It does the task. It opens the browser, fills out the forms, runs software, checks its own work. And it's finally cheap enough that your company or you as an individual can afford to switch it on. But there's a catch hiding in the fine print. And it's the reason I'm not worried about my job yet. Stick around, I'll show you where it is. Welcome back to the AI Guide. I'm David, and my take up front is simple. This was the week the chatbot started turning into a real coworker, not a replacement, a coworker. Great at the boring stuff and still in need of a supervisor. That second part matters. I'll prove it. Real quick, if plain English AI news is your thing, hit subscribe and tap the bell. Takes 2 seconds and it tells me you want more of this. Okay, so what actually happened? On June 30th, Anthropic, the company behind Claude, one of ChatGPT's biggest competitors, released a model called Claude Sonnet 5. I know, another week, another model with a number on the end. Stay with me though. The story here isn't the model, it's the price tag, and what that price tag makes possible. Sonnet 5 is built for what the industry calls agents. So let's cut through the jargon because this is the whole video. A chatbot answers you. An agent works for you, helping you do your work. You hand it a goal, update these customer records, email the ones who qualify, and it makes a plan, opens the right tools, clicks through the steps, and double checks its output as it goes. And that's not a someday thing. Zapier, the automation company, says they gave this model a 2-part job. Update account tiers in Salesforce, then send a launch email to the right contacts. And it finished the whole thing end to end on its own. Now here's the part that surprised even the AI nerds. There's a test called Terminal Bench. Basically, can an AI sit at a computer's command line and finish real tasks without a human steering? The previous Sonnet scored 67%. Sonnet 5 just over 80%. And it didn't just beat its little brother, it beat Anthropic's own flagship, the expensive model. The mid-priced sedan just outhauled the luxury truck. So why do I keep going on about price? Because agents are hungry. I just ran Fable 5 for something, and man, is that true. A chatbot answers your one question and clocks out. An agent might take hundreds of small steps to finish one job, and every step costs money. Companies that tried agents last year got some eye-watering bills. That's what makes this launch different. Anthropic priced Sonnet 5 at roughly half of what its flagship costs, with an introductory discount on top through August 31st. For the first time, a model good enough to do real work is priced low enough to leave running all day. That's the line we just crossed. That's the line we just crossed. Not AI got smarter, AI got affordable enough to be handed actual work. So, what does that mean for your workday? Think about the 80% of your job that never shows up in a job interview. Copying data between systems, filling out the same form for the 9th time, chasing status updates nobody wants to write. That's the layer agents are aimed at first. And if you're hearing this with a little knot in your stomach, I get it. Which brings me to the catch I promised you at the top. Here's the catch. Cheaper per step doesn't always mean cheaper for the whole job. These models bill by the token, little chunks of text, roughly 4 characters, and Sonnet 5 turns out to be a bit of a chatterbox. It uses noticeably more tokens to do the same work, and early testing suggests that on long multi-step jobs, it can burn through 4 or 5 times more than the premium model would. Lower sticker price, faster running meter. And it doesn't stop there. Anthropic's own materials and the early reviews both admit it. This thing still makes stuff up sometimes, and it can get flustered deep into a long task. That's why every serious company running agents keeps a human checkpoint in the loop. Someone who looks at the finished work and says, "Yup, that's right." Right now, being that someone is the safest job in the building. Being that someone is the safest job in the building. So what do you actually do with this? 3 things. Try an agent on something low stakes. Sonnet 5 is now the default on Claude's free plan. It costs you nothing. 2, start practicing the skill that's about to matter most. Delegating. Clear instructions in, manager level checking on the way out. 3, if a big slice of your week is repetitive computer work, don't race the machine. Become the person who supervises it. The people who figure that out first will be very hard to replace. So free isn't bad. In fact, it's great. But you want to use a higher level model like Opus for really complex stuff. Here's a quick recap. June 30th, Anthropic released Claude Sonnet 5, built to do tasks, not just talk about them. It beat the company's own flagship at operating a computer, and it's priced so businesses can actually afford to run it. But it bills by the word, talks too much, and still needs a supervisor. Remember that deal I opened with? You ask, AI answers, you do the work. The new deal is you delegate. So here's my question, and I do read the comments. What's the one task in your week you'd hand to an AI agent tomorrow if you trusted it? Tell me below. If this cleared some things up, a like helps more than you think. Also, please subscribe and share. And most importantly, please support us on Patreon. Your financial support is critical to helping the channel grow. And $5 a month, $2 a month, or even just $1 a month really helps. Thanks so much. See you next time. Take care.